Upon hearing the term lacto-fermentation, you would not be alone if you immediately thought of lactose and milk, though they are very different terms. I was just speaking with a lady in the store who was wanting to try our pickled eggs. And in fact, she wanted to be able to make them herself at home. And she says, well, Malcolm, is it possible to do it without the dairy? I say, oh, absolutely, because these types of ferments, sauerkraut, pickles, it's a lacto-fermentation, but what that refers to is not lactose in terms of milk, but lacto-fermentation of lactic acid producing bacteria. So if you've heard of Lactobacillus acidophilus, that is a lactic acid producing bacteria, and that whole process of fermentation is called a lactoferment. And again, referring more to lactic acid and has nothing to do with lactose. So that's how we pickle our eggs, and that's how we naturally ferment our vegetables. So whether it's sauerkraut or carrots or cucumbers or our hot sauce, yeah, it is a lactoferment utilizing naturally occurring lactobacillus or lactic acid creating bacteria, among others. And so what she did is she picked up one of our brines right here, and I told her, okay, you're just gonna go home, you're going to hard boil yourself some eggs, peel them, well, let them cool, then peel them, and then either a leftover brine from a sauerkraut or a pickle, or you pick up the brine here, put that into a jar, and then pop the eggs into it, let them sit on the counter 1 or 2 days, and then pop it into the fridge, and the eggs will become kind of saturated. They'll be pickled in that lactic acid brine, and it preserves them, gives a nice sour flavor, and they're amazing. So yeah, lactic acid fermentation. It's good for your gut, good for your digestion, all kinds of wonderful benefits, and not related to dairy at all.